First trip. Good job, Grandpa. Yeah, nice little redfish. Only like 12 inches, but it's a fish. Nice. Of course we do. I'll grab the pliers for it. I think it's a big old trout. Yep. It might not even be a keeper. You didn't even extend the net. You gotta open the net, Grandpa. Jeez, you barely fit. You didn't even extend the net. Oh, look at that. Trout fall off so easy. That's why I net them. Nice little trout ski. He looks like a keeper. Stand down. Make sure you got the hook set. Stand. Oh, that's a little redfish. Oh, he's coming with the current. That's why he's not fighting. The current's bringing him to you. Nice red. Nice fighters. I know you love redfish. I just spooked a big red right there. We've only caught a couple little short ones so far, but we haven't even made it in there yet. The current's hauling butt. You got one? What, you got a redfish? You do. What do you got? Oh, he's a slow fighter. Oh, he's a little guy. Grandpa's out fishing me. Oh, there's a big fish back in there. I can see his bleep. You might as well cut that sinker off and just sling a free line shrimp in there. Oh, it's a trout. The smallest trout ever, but you got one.
The baby.
This is shallow shit right here. Doesn't even touch. The breeze needs to come. No seals don't start. We didn't even see any reds come out of there. I think it was all mullet. That's the best part about these calm days, we get to see the fish. Get your shrimp up here. It's a red. They school up in this. You can catch one after another this size. There's usually a bunch of them in there. That's a fun little size. They're definitely schooled up there. They love this spot. I don't know why. Or we can get it up here with and get the anchor, the motor stuck. Yeah, look how dark that one is. Yeah, that's right where they are. It's pretty instant. Like the second hit the water going. Got a little red. Well, I'm gonna try to get the motor stuck. And we'll stay. Look, a nice red. Oh, it's a big trout. Big trout. Oh, Grandpa, that's big. Yeah, definitely a keeper. Hell of a fish. There you go. That's nice. It's actually not that big. It's a keeper. Yeah, he's a keeper. It's a nice fish. That's a nice fish.
Just barely.
He's a keeper.
Better measuring.
He's definitely a keeper. No more ladyfish. I got one on a jig finally. Oh wow, he fell off easy. I don't think he's a keeper. But yours is 16 and a half. He might be a 15. Oh, my jacket goes right on the fish. Lovely. Ugh. And twice. That was running at me fast. That's a little red. The last one was way bigger than that. The last one hit hard. Look at that blue tail. Do you think we should throw a handful of those dead shrimp in here to get a school coming? It'd hold them. Here we go. A little bit bigger red. There's a hair bigger. I think it's like 15. No, he's still the same size. He hit it hard though. They're so little. We're just catching the same fish over and over. They're hungry. I'm gonna start marking them. Double hookup? You lose yours? Look at the swirl mine just made. Is that a bigger fish? A little bit bigger. Come on, Grandpa, hurry up. Definitely a little bit bigger. It's funny how they're still tiny as hell. It's funny how this is a big one. He's like a whole inch and a half bigger than his brothers. Let's put him a better fight. Yep. Come on, be a trout. Got a pile of these redfish out there. What is this, number 30? It's funny how fun that one was. Like, that one actually fought good. They're all hitting about 14. Better fight. But yeah, they're loaded at the top of the bar, Grandpa. It's like sick of mine hits the water now. I didn't throw in a whip there. They're getting bigger, aren't they?
No.
You don't think that's bigger?
They're all running about. 11 inches to 14.
Yeah. This one put up a... They're getting heavier to me, I think. That's bigger. This is a tad bit bigger. It's never ending. It was like tap 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 tap, and then I just slowly pulled into it and it turned into a red. The smallest reds ever. What do I have? It doesn't feel like anything now. You hit it super hard. That's another little redfish. Caught the same fish 20 times. They're freaking loaded in here. You told me you wanted to catch redfish. You didn't tell me how big of a redfish. It's hard to complain about catching 30 reds, but I wish they were a little bit bigger. Better be a big one after all that. They're getting redder. twisted my drag to put it down in the rod holder to walk away, and the fish grabbed it right when I did that. Little guy. Did it jump? Oh, it's a trout. So they are trout. That's good. We got a school of trout out there. A decent sized trout. Yeah, it's trout. Well, he's running, but let's hope he's a trout. Come on, be a big trout. He's diving down. That could be a flounder, Grandpa. That's red. It's a redfish. It's a nice one. They don't need a net for it, but
He's pretty though. Look how dark he is. Did not feel like a red. Didn't bite like a red.
I love those nets. Yeah, he didn't swallow it either. There's a lot of fish out there. There's a trout. So there's a bunch of trout, little baby reds out here. You're scared of